Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today is Friday, January 13th. You know what we do at my house on Fridays? We plant. And today, we're going to plant the most expensive thing you can plant in your garden. Saffron. Now I'm going to put this right here next to the fence. We've been throwing these right over the fence, so this is kind of deep. And you're really supposed to plant these in the fall. They come up early spring. But when I found out how much you can make off of saffron, I thought we just got to get some bulbs in. I got a new Ferrari I want to buy. Now saffron is one of the most expensive things you can grow in the garden. Except you know how much it takes to make any money? You have to have acres of it. Now the money is in the stamens, and you get 3 or 4 off of each flower, and they're little bitty. It takes quite a bit to make any kind of weight. It only takes a couple of the stamens to flavor food, and that's what we're going after. It's nice to dream about getting a new Ferrari by planting in the garden though. We're going to mulch these back over, but this soil's good and soft. We got 12 here. These are already starting to put on little sprouts. And the nice thing about these little bulbs is they'll go ahead and make more little bulbs. We'll be able to separate them. And, you know, in 10 or 12 years, we might have enough to make an ounce. What better time to start planting your fortune than on Friday the 13th? This ground's not frozen because of the mulch, and I'm putting them here on purpose. Back in here by the berry patch, nobody's going to be walking on them. Well, maybe Riley. We'll try to keep him out of here. And then I'm just going to cover this back up with mulch. In a couple months, we ought to have some crocus coming up. Then I'm on my way to being a millionaire. Now, the real reason we're doing it, just like everything else, is because it tastes good. And you can grow your own saffron. It doesn't take very much to flavor your food. And they're purple flowers. And if you've been following my story, I like purple food. It didn't get to 40 degrees today. We went ahead and left everything covered up. It's supposed to be in the mid-50s tomorrow. Sunday, it's going to be in the 60s. I guess that means we're going to have to do a little work in the garden. I hope you join me for that. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.